What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T2 the Great, Triple OG. Yeah, you know me. How's everybody doing? Yo, today, I just recently got a call from a guy at work. He told me that he wanted to sell his bike. So this guy want to sell me a Rad Rover, I think a 2018 Rad Rover for $300. So if you guys like to stick around with me and come and check out this bike, that's what we're doing today. It's your boy T2, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm here at a disclosed spot in New York City. We're gonna go inside and check out this Rad Rover together. Now, personally, I've seen the bike before, but this will be you guys' first time. I know the bike has a little bit of use, but the guy only wants $300 for the bike, and I'm quite sure we can make over $300 off the bike, whether we give it to somebody, enjoy it. And plus, I have a lot of customers that's asking me for Rad Rover parts, like the fenders, the display, and I can always sell a Bafang motor. So, guys, come on inside with me and let's go check out this bike. Okay guys, you ready for this? So, like I said, I can't reveal my location, but here we go. First look. Okay, fellas. Okay. This here is for me. So, not bad. A little normal damage, but that's nothing. Yeah, we could take care of that seat right there. That's nothing. This guy got double fenders. One of those could come off. Battery good. It's an old display, but we can take care of that. Let's see. Let's put this thing on. Okay, that's a go. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so we're looking pretty good. All right. Well, ain't too much to say here. You know, we taking this home, $300. The guy's pretty much at work, so I don't want to disturb him. So we're gonna creep out of here. We're gonna get it home, clean it up, review it, and do what we got to do. Egos, we got another one. We did it again. I see you at the block. I see you at home. Let's go. Cut it on. So, I'm using the pedal assist to get home. You know the error 30 is kicking in. So the bike still has power to it, but it blinks off every 15, 20 seconds. Like now it's off. So now I have to power on, the bike is back on. And pretty much this is how I'm getting home. Bike ride's good and all. Okay, just click down. Still power. Let's power that off. Power it back on. Okay, let's go up a pedal assist. 3. Okay, that's a little rough while I'm holding the camera. Let me bring that back down. Okay, we cut it off. And we cut it back on. Top right. So pretty much that's how we making it home on a ride, you know. Well, we got it $300, y'all. Power off. Power on. Oops. Okay. I feel like this back tire is low, so we gotta get some air in the back tire. I'm gonna go put some air in this bike right now, you know. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, so I made it home with the bike, and a couple of things with the bike. For one, with the bike when I was riding, and the guy told me error 30 message comes on here. Now, error 30 message, for you guys that know, error 30 is, there it is, that's the error 30. Error 30 is a loose wire or a loose connection somewhere, you know, to the controller. So I got to search for the loose wire on the bike, but it was no problem. I rode the bike home. I kept powering off, powering on, power off, power on to get home. And another thing I noticed, this kickstand here, is missing a screw. There's one screw missing, and the guy also is missing a screw here for the torque screw. This is the torque arm to hold the wheel from jerking a lot. This needs to be tightened, the brake cable, I mean the disc rotor, but that's nothing. And this is the real screw for the fender. So those little minor things there with the bike. And you see he's missing the screw here. He has a zip tie holding the bike together. And other than that, you know, the bike is pretty much good. The tires are in terrible condition. Tires are in really bad condition. And I noticed when I got close to home, this back tire here was really soft. It didn't have any air. So I guess I'm gonna clean this bike up before I take it home. The seat is very comfortable with the suspension seat. You guys can see this. It works really well. It works really well. So I'm gonna go try to tighten up a couple of things down here, that rotor, get the screw in there, get the proper screws for the fender. I'm gonna take this off, wash the bike up a little bit. And truthfully guys, I don't want to invest too much money into the bike. You know, this is what I would like to call a quick flip. You know, I bought the bike for $300. If I can turn it around quickly for $500, like perhaps today, it's a $200 profit. So let's see what we can do. Let's go get some air in that back tire and let's clean this bike up a little bit and remove that fender and whatever. Hang with your boy guys. It's gonna be a long day and we gotta work with this Era 30. So if y'all wanna stick around for the Era 30, see you guys around. See, that's the Era 30. Bike cuts off. Bike still has power to it. Now I hit this little thumb thing off. I power it right back on. I'm using the pedal assist because I'm carrying the phone. Put some air in the back tire. Oh, no air. Oh, this is terrible. Good money, we got air in it. Alright, so should we trouble these guys for a couple of bolts or should we keep it moving? Let's go wash this bike up. And one more thing I noticed, that the bike will stay on as long as you throttle it steadily. The bike will stay on. You see it's still on, I'm not pedaling or anything, you know. So it stays on as long as you firmly twist the throttle. But as soon as I let off, it'll cut off. So I'm just on the straightaway, it'll go. Okay, I eased up, so it cut off. Now I gotta switch hands here to power back on. Now I'm back on. On a pedal assist. Guys, you can pull up here at the car wash. Yeah. Take the battery off there. Alright, so I'm gonna hose this thing down. I'm gonna try not to Hope I don't damage too much there. So okay, pardon me fellas, I need both my hands to work this thing here, but I'm about to hose it down. You guys will see some of it, but not gonna struggle with it, so here we go. I'm sorry, I'm terrible at this, guys. I don't care about all that electricity, man, you know. Probably replace the whole kit or whatever. I don't know, let's flip it over. Oh! Sorry guys. Let's rest the other side. Yeah guys, it's really difficult doing this with one hand and a foam brush? Wow. Sorry guys, I'll show you the end results. I need two hands, guys. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna let that drip dry a little bit. You know, we done cleaned up, you know. She's definitely looking much more better. I covered the plastic up, so that's still a little dry. We should fairly be okay there. Lots of dirt gone off the rims. That's what's really making the bike look terrible. All that dirt. So next we'll snatch this fender off because it serves no purpose at all. And like I said, I really don't want to spend no money in the bike. Like I said, I just want to make it a quick flip, but that seat needs to come off. And so this is what we're working with, fellas. It looks like it's gonna be profitable. I just called one of my boys. They want to come and take a look at the bike. Pretty much they're gonna take it, you know. Like I said, I'm only looking for $500 for it. I'm sure they'll take it. They just bought the white Rad Rover too, so we're going to give these guys a call. Hopefully they pull up and take it, but that's what it is. But in the meantime, I guess we'll run over to the bike shop and get a couple of these screws to tighten up the tighten up the kickstand, as I was showing you guys. Tighten up the kickstand and put the correct screws there. So okay, so she's nice and clean, y'all. So let's head on home, get the bike on home. So, yeah, she's all clean. It's all cleaned up now. Well, at least for the most part, you know. She looks better than before. Let's check the power. Make sure she power on. Good, she's still power on. All right, good. So we can get her home and start the work, guys. It's your boy T2. Let's go. Okay, guys. So there she goes. So I took the fender off already. I took this fender off here, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the bike, guys. Like I said, we got the bike for $300. I got a guy, like I said, I got a guy that want to take the battery for $200, and I got a guy that want to take the fenders for $100. That's $300 right there. And then, but I'll be stuck with a bike in the house, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to leave with parts. So I'm gonna go home and figure out if I sell it for $500 whole, or if I want to break it down into parts. Like I said, $200 for the battery. Sorry. Like I said, $200 for the battery, $100 for the fenders, maybe $200 for the back wheels, and whatever, you know. But like I said, guys, so I'm gonna close this video out right now. It's your boy T2 the Great. And listen, we're approaching 1,000 subscribers, so please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Your boy definitely needs the support. It's your boy T2, and I'm out.